In the video Mastering Excel, How to Filter and Calculate Data by Category, you will learn how to filter data in Excel and present it in categories and through charts. The video will cover the following topics. How to filter data by category using the filter function in Excel. How to calculate data by category using the sumifs function in Excel. How to present data in a visually appealing way using charts and graphs. How to customize charts and graphs to better communicate your findings. The data we have is a record of the number of observations made at various places in a plant from January 2021 to December. The data has been collected to monitor the overall functioning of the plant and identify any weak areas that need improvement. The data is organized by month, with the number of observations and the area where the observations were made recorded for each month. The areas of the plant where the observations were made include switchyard, workshop, battery room, accommodation, control room, and security room. To better analyze the data and identify any weak areas, we have formulated a short table that presents the data month-wise and area-wise. This table allows us to quickly identify which areas of the plant have a high number of observations and which areas have a low number of observations. So, in the month-wise table, use the formula as shown. The A column shows the months, the B column shows the number of observations recorded, and E4 shows the name of the month for which data is required. So, for the area-wise use, the formula as shown. The B column shows the number of observations recorded, column A shows the months and shows the duration from January 2021 to December 2021, with the C column referring to the area where observations recorded, and H4 reflect the specific area such as switchyard. You can verify from the main table using the filter option with available data and filter data such as month-wise and area-wise. For the graphs, select the month-wise table, and area-wise, go to the Insert option, select the recommended charts and choose your chart and customize it as per your convenience.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel The Enrcon, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest videos.